Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to fix account restricted on your Underdog Fantasy account. Now if your account is restricted on Underdog Fantasy and you want to unrestrict it and use the fantasy account again, but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. To do so, make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. Now to get started, you make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data on a device. Now if you want to unrestrict your account, then you can't simply do it from your app or you can't do it from any website or other things, but you may simply do one thing, and that is you may go on Safari or web browser or Google Chrome, which is the best web browser you think. You may simply go on that and you may simply search Underdog Fantasy Help Center. Now it will give you a contact or customer support email, which is support@underdogfantasy.com. Now simply copy the email or remember it, and you need to simply open Google or Mail on a device, and you need to click on the option of compose, and here you need to write support. So after typing the email or pasting the email, you need to simply create a subject and says unrestrict the account. So you need to simply write it, and now you need to compose the email saying that you want your account to be unrestricted and will follow or work according to the terms and condition of the app. Writing a certain email to them, they will review the email and review your account, and if your account is good for unrestriction, then they will unrestrict your account and you will be able to sign in and or log in back to your Underdog Fantasy account and use the account. So that's it. That's how you can unrestrict your Underdog Fantasy account. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.